last time we made a pandesal. Now for today we are going to make a French bread or baguette. Here are the ingredients that we needed for making a baguette. We have 300 grams of bread flour, 6 grams of instant dry yeast, 5 grams of salt, 5 grams of sugar, shortening, and 175 grams of water.
Yeah.
Okay, for the procedure, very easy lang. Sasamahin niyo ng lahat ng ingredients. Flour, the yeast, the sugar, mix lang konti. Then the salt, shortening. Ito na lang siya. Tapos ininid na natin. Okay, that's it. Yan. Medyo mas makunat siya. Pero kailangan texture niya mas maganda. Okay. So you're going to rest this 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Okay, after 1.5 hours French bread na siya. So nirelease na natin yung air. Ang gagawin naman natin, ikat lang natin siya sa half. Kasi konti lang to. So we need to do this. And close. So, ayan natin siya. Rest ulit. Ilagay natin sa katsa. Until 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, ayan siya. So, i-roll natin siya. Put some flour. Tapos lagay natin dito. Okay, after na pre-loop natin siya, lalagyan natin siya ng scoring. Iwaan natin. Ang purpose niya is para pag binake mo siya, kahit umalis na siya, hindi siya sumabog. Mag-expand siya lang. Now, you're going to bake this for about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure yung oven mo, lalagyan mo siya ng water sa ilalim. So yung rack, tapos may water pa dun sa isa. Para magkaroon ng steaming effect. Kasi ang purpose nun, para pag binake mo siya, crunchy yung labas niya, chewy yung loob. So you're going to bake this for
Yeah, bet.
until 1 hour or golden